In a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills, there lived a humble man named Tom. Tom was known for his obsession, a collection of soles of shoes, discarded and forgotten by the villagers. One day, Tom found a sole, shabby and worn, yet still holding a story of countless steps. As he held the sole, he felt a strange connection, a whisper of tales untold. He decided to give it a place of honor in his collection, polishing it until it gleamed, as if it were new. From that day forward, the sole became his most prized possession. One night, a storm swept through the village, flooding Tom's home. The sole, placed high upon a shelf, remained untouched by the water. Tom, however, lost everything he owned. In the aftermath, Tom felt a sense of emptiness. He realized that his belongings were not what mattered, it was the memories and stories they held that truly mattered. Determined to learn from his mistake, Tom gathered the soles from his collection. Instead of keeping them for himself, he decided to give them back to the villagers, hoping they would cherish them as he had. The villagers were touched by Tom's selfless act. They realized the value in their own discarded soles, and the stories they held. From that day forward, they started to appreciate even the smallest things in their lives. The moral of the story is simple: cherish the stories that objects hold, for they carry the memories of our lives. By doing so, we find a deeper appreciation for the things around us, and for the people in our lives.